Hey guys, it's me, Nisa, on Nisa's Adventures, and today I'm doing more slime. What else would I do? I would do my morning routine, but I have nobody to film me doing it. So, because my sisters never film correctly. So, yeah, that's gonna be great. So guys, what was I gonna say? Okay, let's just get on to the video. Okay, I have my slime right here. And you guys, this slime is so good. Okay, and then stretchy test. Oh my gosh, it's literally going across my desk. And poke test. Okay, listen to this. Okay, you guys, if you hear crying in the background, it's my little sister getting her hair done. I got my hair done yesterday, but oh my gosh. So, and I don't like cry when I get my hair done because like it doesn't really hurt that much. My sisters just are dramatic and just want attention. You just want attention. You guys, do you want me to do a singing video? Because if you do, then I'll do it. I'll probably do it anyway, with or without your vote. I'll probably do it after this video. But yeah. And I'm just gonna sing a tiny bit of a song. It's called Lost Boy. It's Kids Bop edition, so it might not seem good, but I guess it's good. And it's Kids Bop edition, so just remember that. So let me get to sing. Alright. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Never let you go for lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. I never let you go for lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Okay, that was me singing. I know I have such a different tone of my voice when I sing, because how I'm talking now and when I sing, it's like oh my gosh, it's so different. And I love that part of the song. I'm probably gonna sing that part of this song when I do the video. So